Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 27. So today's baby step is to start menu planning. We are going to start building a habit of planning what's for dinner before it's time for dinner. I have gotten really bad about this, like having a plan for what we're having for dinner. I used to be so good before we had two kids. Go figure. But I'm really excited to get back into the habit of knowing what's for dinner, because it can be really stressful and overwhelming to have to plan what's for dinner when it's time to cook dinner. Something I've also thought about before, and I love that this is something that FlyLady encourages, is to really get started on prep before dinner. Like at times I've been able to chop and get things out and have things ready for dinner before dinner time. It's made the cooking process so much simpler, so much easier. I don't know if any of you do this. Leave a comment below if you do. And so I'm going to spend the afternoon routine time kind of prepping dinner, and then a little bit closer to dinner time is when I'm going to cook, so that things can be hot and ready for my family closer to dinner time. And so we really are going to get into the habit of planning ahead. Like for the full week, we're going to plan dinner ideas and meals, so that when we go to the grocery store, we can pick up everything we need for each meal, and we have it there and we're ready to cook it, and we're not overwhelmed and we're not stressed out by the time it's dinner time and people are asking us what's for dinner. So that's something that you can start doing either on Tuesdays, plan and play day, or Wednesdays, which is anti-procrastination day. It's up to you. In FlyLady land, we do Thursday errand day, and again, it's going to be up to you what the best day is for you to go out and to go shopping and to get the things you need, if it's even weekly or if it's bi-weekly for you. But we are going to start implementing a habit of planning our meals for the week ahead of time. So that's today's baby step. There's a link below to a free calendar that you can print out and follow along to these last few baby steps. Subscribe to this channel if you want to hop on. We talked about yesterday that you're not behind, so jump in right here, right now. And follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.